children. Today we are going to learn I sound words. Okay. What is this? Bin. What is this? Bin. B-I-N. Bin. B-A-N. Bin. B-E-N. Bin. The next one. Which picture? What is this? Nib. N-I-B. Nib. N-E-B. Nib. N-E-B. Nib. Can you read the sentence? A big is in a bin. A big is in a bin. Circle the words with short I sound word. Okay. Your words wig. W-I-G. Wig. I sound. Only circle I the letter. Okay. Then bin. B-I-N. Bin. You circle I. Okay. The next one. B-I-N. Bin. B-E-N. Bin. B-E-N. Bin. The next one. Nib. N-I-B. Nib. N-E-B. N-E-B. Nib. Children, can you read this sentence? A wig is in a bin. A wig is in a bin. You circle only I. I the letter. The word wig, you circle I. Then bin, you circle I. Okay. Okay children, take a notebook, English notebook. You write, first we will write date in the margin. 7th July 2020. Then words B-I-N, bin. You write bin. Then N-I-B, nib. Bin, nib. You write this page. Practice at home in rough notebook. Okay? Neat and correctly. Okay? Then see you next class. Thank you.